gentlemen, we're going to be doing a cultural show for you here today on the viewing terrace. We're going to be doing a few different Native American dances and explaining them, do some storytelling with you, share some Lakota language with you today, and might even get you guys involved with some volunteers. All right, we chakpil hita kawaya hemayat, start shifigo emachapi, washichu mechaja hikushto, si chango oyate hemataha, many luza hawati, pilame amedako yapi oyase. My Indian name is Brave Star Woman. These Indian names are very special to us. We have to earn them. It's a great honor that is bestowed upon us. We call that our spirit name. So mine's Brave Star Woman, but I have an English name as well. My first name is Star, my last name is Chief Eagle. Here is Daryl Red Cloud.
In this song it says, Creator, have pity upon me as I walk upon Mother Earth.
All right, and Riley and my other good friend here, Isabel, they're both 13 years old. They are part of an organization called that Wombly Ska, hence the name Junior Miss Wombly Ska.
currently walking through Deadwood, South Dakota. Just took a day trip from Rapid City. What was it, about a 45-minute drive? Oh, Midnight Star, but I only shine at night. I'm always there, but I only shine at night from Silverado.
Yeah.
Historic site number 10, historic site saloon number 10, where Wild Bill Hickok was shot August 7th, 1876.
What did you say? August 7th? August 2nd.
August 2nd, 1876. Stupid motorcycles threw me off.
We're going to kick it out inside.
All right.
Nice catch, gets the trip. Heading to the fence, but it's going to work for him. And Bryce, who had no time on his first one, is going to be, again, gets the trip set. Works well. Down the line. Horse not flowing for him the way he'd like. Still going to have a good, well, had to bobble a bit, had to go back to the. Nice job. Hang on. Steer had a moment when he thought about getting up at Jason Evans.
Ouch.
That's the fun. He thought about getting up, but Jason's going to have maybe a better time. Let's check it. He's right out in front. Clean at the line.
Find a cure for everything that makes you weak. And he's not to reach for the stars when life becomes so dark. And when the wind does blow against the grain, you must follow your heart. You must follow your heart. When all your friends have come and gone, and the sun no longer shines, and the happiness for which you long is washed away like an ocean tide. When all the hard times outweigh the good, when all your words are misunderstood, and when the day seems lost from the start, you must follow your heart. You must follow your heart. Always follow your heart.